clean the hill up, get all the snow off of it.
Dots you see on the windshield, that's just rock chips. That is definitely something you would not want to run into, is that blower running right there.
Still climbing.
Yeah, my top here, Jack. You want to come back around, or which one do? This is another avalanche that happened earlier this year. See how tall that one was. Not as big as the bottom one, though. That was huge.